character I portray here is a character in my bucket list. Talagang ito yung siguro as far as the audience is concerned, medyo out of the box para sa akin ito. Because at my age, I'm 80, happily still strong, still can memorize my lines, still very agile. I don't know if I'll have many more movies to be doing in the future. So when this offer came, and when the study of Catherine's character came, no-brainer ito, hindi ko pag-iisipan ito kung tatanggapin o hindi. Abangan po ninyo itong isang napakagandang storya. It's a love story. It's a family story. Siguro, I'll just give you a teaser. Medyo kakaiba ang love story na ito. It's very relevant to the times. And you'll find out why. Please support the entire film industry and support all the pictures that come your way dahil kailangan po ng pelikulang Pilipino ang inyong support.